What's up, guys? Mr. DS18. Check this out. I showed you guys the PRO-TWN 6.4. Now I got the N6.8. Neodymium Super Tweeter. Check this out. You got the manual. You got the tweeter. Identical as the 4-ohm version, but the 8-ohm version. Check this out. Nice, sleek motor, aluminum design. Check that baby out. Beautiful. We're going to connect it so you guys can check it out. Some specs, just to be sure. The PRO-TWN 6.8. We got 8 ohms, 75 watts AES, 150 watts program power, peak power 300 watts, 109 dBs, frequency response from 2K all the way to 20 kilohertz. 1.25 inch voice coil, titanium. Let's connect this bad boy. Let's turn on the amp. Let's connect this bad boy. It comes with the base blocker already soldered onto the positive, and here we go. Let's grab. I use YouTube Music to test out the music on the playlist of non-copyrighted songs so they don't take this video down. And here we go. Amp is on, and very clear. Sounds very clear. A little bit more volume. Sounds clear. Switch up the song. You can hear all the details of the song. Listen, listen, listen. Super clean. Sounds amazing. And we have it available, so you guys know what to do. Make sure you check it out. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.